Sometimes you just feel a bit decadent, and this is the perfect dessert drink for those times. So for our vanilla bourbon flip, we're gonna start off with our bourbon, so a full 1.5 ounces of this one. It might be all kind of creamy and rich, but it's definitely still gonna pack a punch as well. Then gonna go in with 20 mils of our liquor 43. Gonna go about 15 mils of sugar syrup. And then last but not least, your egg. You can crack it in the other side of your tin just to make sure you don't get any eggshell in there if you're a bit nervous about it. Then we're just gonna give this a bit of a dry shake before you add the ice in there. Then add some ice to your shaker tins, pop them together and shake as hard as you can. So this is usually just served not on any ice, so you can just double strain into a little kind of small rocks glass is perfect. Then for garnish, just gonna get a little microplane if you have them, or like a little mini grater is ideal, and a bit of nutmeg, and just do that over the top. So there you have a vanilla bourbon flip. Gonna give this one a little try. I haven't had one of these in ages, and it's such a good drink. I know that some people might feel a little bit weird about the whole egg, but please trust me, it's delicious. You should give it a go. So now you know.